Well, my name is Steve Romine and I'm the owner of Pavement Services. I wanted to take this time to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about our company. I'm an asphalt and concrete contractor, and we do both new and repair work. And we do specialize in commercial paving. I really don't do any residential work. I'm at my shop today. As you can see, I've got some of my equipment in the background, and I do like to keep new equipment. Also, my employees have been with me a number of years, some of them as long as 20 years. And mainly I wanted to give you a montage of some of our jobs, so hopefully you'll watch this whole video and give me a call on your next commercial paving job. Thank you.